So most developers are using ChatGPT the wrong way. They ask vague questions, get vague answers, and then say AI is not useful. But the truth is, the quality of output depends on the quality of prompt. So in this video, I'll show you 5 practical ChatGPT prompts every developer should know to save time, write better code, debug faster, and learn smarter. So a lot of developers waste time reading complex functions, legacy code, or other people's logic. So instead of staring at it for like 20 minutes, use this. This prompt is useful when working on existing code bases, debugging old modules, or preparing for interviews. So instead of just asking, explain this code, you're actually forcing the AI to break it into logic, flow, edge cases, and improvements. That gives you much more useful output. So moving on to the next prompt, this is one of the best use cases of the ChatGPT for developers. So when you get an error, don't just paste the error and ask fix this. Give it context. So this prompt works because it gives structure. You're not just asking for random guesses. You're actually asking for root cause, step-by-step resolution, and prevention strategy. So that makes ChatGPT much more effective, especially for backend issues, API bugs, and logic errors. So moving on to the third prompt, actually a lot of code works, but it's not efficient, clean, or production ready. So use ChatGPT to improve it. So here is the third prompt. This is great for interview preparation, refactoring, and learning better coding standards. You'll often get suggestions like reducing your nested loops, improving variable names, separating concerns, or handling nulls and edge cases better. So sometimes what happens, you know what you want to build, but you don't know the cleanest way to start. So this upcoming prompt helps a lot. So this is one of my favorite prompts because it gives you both architecture and implementation. So whether you are building login, file upload, pagination, search, or notification logic, this prompt gives you a practical starting point instead of a confusing wall of a code. So now comes to the last prompt. This one is extremely useful if you are preparing for technical interviews or trying to understand a new topic in a quick manner. So here is the one. So for example, you can use this for topics like multi-threading, REST APIs, Spring Boot, SQL joins, system design, or Java collections. So this turns ChatGPT into a personalized interview coach. So now here is the tip. Do not use one-line prompts. The more context you provide, the better output it becomes. So usually a good prompt, it includes like role, task, the context you provide, the expected format, and the constraints. So that's the difference between average AI usage and a smart AI usage. So those were the 5 ChatGPT prompts every developer should know. So if you want, I can also create a free prompt pack with all these templates in a copy-paste format. You just need to comment prompt below. And if you want more videos in AI for developers, automation, and career growth, just subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.